If you want to know how to buy shares of Centene Corp, this short guide walks through the process step by step. Centene is a major U.S. managed healthcare company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CNC. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy CNC, you need to use a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the workflow. After registering, you will normally verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker CNC to find Centene Corp. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches Centene to ensure you have the correct stock. On the Centene stock page, you will see a short company description and a live price chart. Check the company name, the NASDAQ listing, and the CNC ticker to confirm this is the right asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the cash amount or number of shares you want, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order will be queued and executed when the market reopens at prevailing prices. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your Centene position will appear in your portfolio showing holdings and status. If you want to register or follow the example walkthrough, the link is available in the video description.